effect until midnight.
Tornado watch! Tornado watch! Holy shit!
Large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 44 remains in effect until midnight.
Holy shit!
On Friday, and now includes the following counties in Ohio, Portage, and Stark. The urgent weather message.
Holy fuck!